Have you ever pondered the significance of cybersecurity in supply chain management? In a world where supply chains consist of countless interconnected entities and vendors, vulnerabilities to cyber threats abound. Picture a web, with each strand representing a different vendor. If one strand weakens, the whole web is at risk. Embedding robust cybersecurity measures within these complex systems can effectively mitigate and reduce risks associated with data breaches, cyber attacks, and supply chain disruptions. In essence, cybersecurity is a crucial risk mitigation strategy in supply chain management. What do intellectual property, national security, customer information, and proprietary design and process data share in common? They're all sensitive data flowing through supply chains, vulnerable to cyber threats. Cybersecurity is the shield that protects this information from the clutches of ill-intentioned actors and unfriendly nations. But it's not just about protection, it's also about continuity. Robust cybersecurity measures keep the wheels of business and facilities turning, preventing disruptions that could bring operations to a grinding halt. Cybersecurity is not only about safeguarding sensitive data, but also about ensuring the smooth running of business operations. Did you know that cybersecurity in the supply chain can keep you on the right side of the law and help maintain your company's reputation? It helps meet federal and state regulatory requirements, avoiding legal pitfalls. Plus, a strong cybersecurity framework preserves the trust of your stakeholders. Indeed, embedding cybersecurity in supply chain management is a legal, national security, and reputational necessity. Now, let's delve into some practical examples of how cybersecurity can be embedded in supply chain management. Conducting thorough supplier risk assessments is crucial to ensure that all vendors meet the desired security standards. Additionally, implementing secure communication protocols helps protect sensitive information shared during transactions. Regular monitoring and auditing of the supply chain can help identify potential vulnerabilities and ensure compliance with security protocols. Technologies such as blockchain for a secure chain of custody can enhance supply chain visibility and control, minimizing the risk of unauthorized access to data. Employee training can raise awareness about potential threats and best practices. Lastly, comprehensive incident response plans can mitigate the impact of cybersecurity breaches. Clearly, integrating cybersecurity measures into supply chain management practices is not only feasible, but also beneficial. So why should you care about cybersecurity in supply chain management? Let's recap. It's about risk mitigation, protecting your sensitive data and national security from prying eyes, and ensuring businesses and operating facilities keep humming along without a hitch. It's also about staying on the right side of the law with regulatory compliance and preserving that invaluable trust you've built with your stakeholders. In a nutshell, embedding cybersecurity in supply chain management is a wise move for any business aiming to safeguard its assets, ensure regulatory compliance, secure national security, and maintain stakeholder trust.